Welcome to the Success Room. I want to tell you how this show got its name. I was in a season where I had built something significant. I had built revenue, clients, a ministry, a reputation, businesses across 3 lanes, which is mission-based, marketplace, and ministry. I was doing the work. I was walking in what I believe was the assignment, and I lost it. Not slowly, but very fast. You see, the paperwork wasn't filed in time, and the foundation I thought I had built turned out to be the activity without architecture. I didn't lose it because I wasn't faithful. I didn't lose it because I didn't have the structure. And the moment I realized that, sitting in a place where I never imagined I would sit, I made a promise to God that no woman who works this hard, loves this deeply, and carries a calling this real should ever build on a foundation that can collapse. The Success Room is that promise kept. Welcome to the Success Room. I am Dr. Lynda Barnes. People call me the Success Doctor. I'm a faith-driven life and business developer, a business loan broker with 50 lending partners, a kingdom builder, a mother of 5, a wife of an Air Force veteran, and a woman who has been through hell, rebuilt from zero, and spent the last decade making sure other women don't have to learn what I learned the hard way. This is the Success Room. And if you found this show, I believe it's because you're ready for what happens here. This show is for the woman who has a calling she can't shake. You're a coach, you're a consultant, you're a ministry leader, you're in the marketplace, you're a founder, the woman building something that was placed in her by God and won't let her go. She's working, she's showing up, she has clients or she's building towards them. She has faith and she has momentum and has a gap between the vision and the vehicle, between the calling and the container, between what she is building and what she needs underneath it to make it fundable, protectable, and scalable. That gap has a name. It's structure. And that's where this show lives. Let me tell you a little about who you're sitting with. I was born in St. Croix, the U.S. Virgin Islands, to some Caribbean parents with Spanish descent. I have been an entrepreneur for over 20 years. I've built businesses in mental health, counseling, case management, community development, construction, food service, and logistics. I've led ministry. I've ran coaching programs. I've worked in the marketplace and in the mission field at the same time. I've also built what I thought was an empire and watched it collapse because the structure underneath it wasn't solid. I'm telling you my story at the top of this show because I want you to know from the very first episode, your past does not disqualify you from building what God assigned you to build. Mine did not disqualify me. I came out of that season and scaled my husband's construction business in a few years. I built more than 20 entities across the Trinity Structure. I'll be teaching you on this show. I became a business loan broker and connected women to capital they couldn't see from where they were standing. I did not rebuild because everything got easy. I rebuilt because I finally had the structure. That's what I want for you. The Success Room is where we talk about all of it: the faith, the strategy, the funding, the structure, the healing that has to happen before the empire can hold the weight of the calling. We cover the Trinity Structure, the entity architecture that separates what you own from what you earn and builds the fundability profile that opens door to capital. We cover the Shio method, aligned structure fund, the 3-pillar framework I use inside my coaching programs. We cover the BEAD formula: believe, expect, act, declare. The content and the coaching rhythm that moves a woman from scattered to structured. We cover business credit, lending qualifications, entity stacking, nonprofit architecture, ministry integration with marketplace strategy, and we cover the stories because the women doing this work are doing extraordinary things and their stories deserve a room. I'll be direct with you. The world does not need another podcast about manifesting your dreams or burning out at the top of a funnel someone else built. What the women in my community need, and what I believe you need, is a room where faith and structure sit at the same table, where you can get the teaching and the theology, the framework and the funding strategy, the prayer and the entity map. Most faith coaches can pray with you. Most business coaches can teach you a funnel. Very few can do both and actually introduce you to lenders. This show is for the woman who needs all of it. Here's what I want you to do before the next episode. Go to drlindabarnes.com/compass and take the Empire Readiness Assessment. It's free. It takes less than 5 minutes, and it shows you exactly where your business structure is strong and where it's exposed. Your score is not a judgment. It's a starting point. Come find us in the House of Shail community on Facebook. That's our home base. That's where the conversations happen between episodes. And subscribe to this show, because what we're building here, episode by episode, is a curriculum, a room you could come back to, a body of work you can run your whole empire through. I'm glad you're here. I've been building toward this room for a long time. Every business I built, everything I lost, everything I rebuilt, it was all practice for this. Your calling is not underfunded. It's understructured. And that's exactly what we're about to fix. I am Dr. Lynda Barnes. This is the Success Room. Faith built it, structure funds it. So let's build your legacy.